Introduction to SAP FI HANA, Core Financial Accounting Concepts. Welcome to this comprehensive introduction to SAP Financial Accounting, FI. In this session, we will explore the fundamental concepts of SAP FI, its importance in financial management, and how it integrates with other modules within the SAP ecosystem. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid understanding of core accounting principles and how they are applied in SAP. What is SAP FI? SAP FI is a crucial module within the SAP ERP system that facilitates financial management and reporting for organizations. It is designed to manage all financial transactions and ensure accurate financial reporting. The module integrates seamlessly with other SAP components such as controlling, sales and distribution, SD, and materials management, MM, allowing for real-time data processing and reporting. Key components of SAP FI. SAP FI encompasses several key components that are essential for effective financial management. 1. General Ledger, GL. This is the central component where all financial transactions are recorded. The GL provides a complete overview of all accounts within the organization. 2. Accounts Payable, AP. This submodule manages vendor transactions, including invoice processing, payments, and vendor account management. 3. Accounts Receivable, AR. This component handles customer transactions, tracking invoices, payments, and customer account balances. 4. Asset Accounting, This module manages fixed assets, including acquisition, depreciation, and disposal of assets. 5. Bank Accounting. This part deals with bank transactions and reconciles bank statements with internal records. Core Principles of SAP FI. Understanding the core principles of SAP FI is essential for effective use of the module. Real-time processing. Transactions entered into the system update the database immediately, allowing for up-to-date reporting and decision-making. Document Principle. Every transaction creates an electronic document that contains detailed information such as document type, posting date, account number, and amount. A transaction is only posted when its debit and credit items balance to zero. Master Data Management. Master data serves as the foundation for all financial data in the system. This includes information about customers, vendors, and general ledger accounts. Setting up SAP FI. To effectively use SAP FI, organizations must establish a robust enterprise structure. 1. Company Code. This defines the legal entity for which financial statements are created. 2. Chart of Accounts. A list of all accounts used by a company code to record financial transactions. 3. Fiscal Year Variant. Defines the fiscal year structure for reporting purposes. Financial Accounting Processes. The primary processes within SAP FI include record transactions, inputting financial data through various submodules like AP and AR, generate reports, creating financial statements such as balance sheets and profit and loss statements using real-time data from the GL, reconcile accounts, ensuring that all accounts are balanced and discrepancies are addressed promptly. Integration with other modules. SAP FI does not operate in isolation, it is integrated with various other modules. Controlling helps in monitoring costs associated with business operations. Sales and distribution, SD links customer transactions directly to financial accounting processes. Materials management, MM integrates procurement processes with financial data. Conclusion. In summary, SAP FI is a vital component of the SAP ERP system that enables organizations to manage their financial data effectively. By understanding its core concepts, components, and integration capabilities, users can leverage SAP FI to enhance their financial reporting accuracy and compliance. Thank you for joining this introduction to SAP Financial Accounting. Stay tuned for more detailed tutorials on specific functionalities within SAP FI. SAP FI HANA just got simple. Hit subscribe for more FI tech insights.